Let me show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Now, if you're on an iPhone, Android, or even a computer, and you wanted to cancel Spotify, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, unfortunately, you cannot do it in the app on your phone. So we need to exit out of the Spotify app and go instead to a web browser. So you can go to Safari or Google Chrome, and we're going to go directly to Spotify.com and log in. So from here, I'm going to type in Spotify.com. And on here, you'll be able to see you don't want to tap open or open in app. We need to stay in the web-based version, but tap those three lines at the top right and choose to log in. Now, all I need to do is enter in my information, and you can see basically I can choose to log in with a password or with a texted code or emailed code. Now I'm logged into my account. From here, it's easy to cancel it. You can just tap on the gear icon at the top right and then go to view account. Now we're in your account page, and you can see on here I have my Spotify premium family. If you tap on that, it will show you your current plan that you have. All you need to do is you can hit change plan if you want to downgrade it. But if you're sure, you can hit the cancel subscription. Now from here, it says you will listen, how you will listen will change. You'll hear about 15 ads, etc. If you're good to go and you don't want any of these, you can just hit continue to cancel. Now on here at the very bottom, you can see everybody will lose their subscription, including if you have a big family plan. If you go through this process, just hit yes, cancel. Keep in mind, you will have access until your next billing date. At that point, you'll lose access. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.